Okay, income of 35. Uy, magkano 35? Kaya 35. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35!
Oh my God, I'm
Slice ng cake.
Kung di asan sila pagkuhan mo ko sa ka-case returns.
Actually, sir, I am here to celebrate.
Thank you so much, Raiko-tan! Happy birthday! Ariana Grande! Hi! Asa yung room? Arot. Dos ka.
Happy birthday, sir, Nay!
O diba?
Kaya pa taga niya.
Nag-away mo sila ganyan.
Wish is...
Okay, wish first ha.
No, thank you, Pio. Oh my...
Ati na ako ang baga na kuputra.
Okay, my wish is... ma-eliminate na mga fake people sa akong life. And true people will remain and will stay with me all throughout the journey while I'm alive. Oh my God! 1, 2, 3.
Yay!
Kita ko ma-eliminate din.
Nag-web, spaghetti Jun.
So, katong mga wali mo na pasalamat ni gabi sa pasalamat din eh.
Di oto yung... Oto yun o.
Ay, namin na ito yung mas napakanay. Andali ka
Dili na kay ma'am.
Thank you so much to everyone who exerted efforts on my birthday from yesterday until today. Thank you. To be honest, I was so surprised. Okay, the plan was I'll be staying at home for the whole day and playing scatter. And only to find out that 12 midnight today, I received a manyanita from my Decker team and from my closest friends in Bulbugan, namely Hansen and Candace and Kimmy. And now the extended celebration by my best friend. Thank you so much. Which I also received a very special gift. And also we are experiencing this we will be having this very sumptuous dinner tonight, courtesy of my best friend. And thank you so much because oh my God. Thank you so much. And Doy, thank you Doy for coming over. I know nga basic and it's weekday. Weekday nyo na ako'y booking niya. Ari juga Doy. And to Candace, thank you so much Candace nga. I know nag-struggle kang panita sa mga casual just to fit in sa but at least nagkwano ka and Miss Joy, thank you so much. Dama kay ganina ka daw, Miss Joy, siya na kung dito mo ano hindi. Ang iya kong giingon na mo surprise na akong tulo. Ningon siya nga namin surprise Sir Ryan. Katapag birthday daw niya sa
Na-surprise agad ka.
yeah, surprise daw mo na ako pag birthday niyo mo to ningon si Miss Joy. Sir, surprise siya ka naman ni Kanya sa Kalanda. Kung Miss, ayaw imunit na Miss Koy, happy na dyan ko sa nana. Mo to na his good picnic. And also to Piolo, thank you kayo yung si Piolo ka, di lagi siya vocal na friend, di siya ka na visible, but he's always there. And of course, to my BFF, no? Last na siya, oh, ayak na ni, thank you kay, bisan pa nakasakta, di ka ganyan lang. Sa'yo yung liquidation, pero, itagaan ka mo, di ka no chance. Yeah, thank you so much, Kenny. And sa akong best friend nga, nigasto sa Malaysia last year, 25K. Sa mga nagkakain. O sige. Oh my God, I only have zero current spending. Oh my God! I'm happy! I am now 35 and all my wish is, I hope that God will eliminate plastic people and negative people in my life. And gusto ko nga, na-positive it always, pero the more positive, the more it breaks scatter makadaol. Okay! Thank you so much everyone. I love you all.
Sir Ron. Okay, ingana ka kay ingana sa imong event. Ikaw na sa pero.
Bitaw, I forgot. Wala, thank you. Yeah. Thank you kayo kay wako nag-expect nga di sapot-sapot kay kahapon kay nag-bring up sa bulhon. Always na ko siya connect. Sige siya, hindi nga sige makan-cell phone. Hindi na ako dito sa trabaho. O gano'n pa niya. Mabubabawa na ano din siya contact mo yun. Didi, mga shot-shot, ano yung plano niya na. For the first time in my 35 years, that's the first, I mean, last night was the first time I have received a bouquet. Pero kung hindi ko kakapon, but I don't want to show my emotion to my nephews, to my nieces, sa mga pagumangkon, because I don't want them to see that ang ilang uncle Junjun is big. But every time na, musutag ko sa kwarto niya, yung ato kay, mo emotional ko sa kwarto. Kaya mo kayo sa sala. But I think it's how they're going to perceive it. Uyon! Thank you so much, everyone! Gamay na siya kayo mo, gamay na siya kayo ang because I select only few, I mean true people.
Kasi ka nag-select sa imong kuhan, no?
Sila, ang wala din nyo kay Morang. Ayan, kamagatan na niya. Thank you so much.
Asip sa...
Tayo lang yung sikaran. Sikaran na kausabi.
Salamat kayo sa cake na Tam. That's very sweet Tam. The cake is 3,600 alone. The cake alone.
Plastic.
Because it's coming from Tam.
Ay, Saka. Ay, dira. Kay kukuoy.
Sa Piolo na lang.
Ikaw na lang.
Ada pio.
Kuway na si Rikutan.
35 na kita chug mo.
Kasi wala mo doon.
Goray na kaya.
Uno na kay Oleg mo yung
Life begins at 14. We have 4 more years.
Plus na tayo.
Okay guys, kamo. Sige na kauna.
Sige.
I-bless ang food, sir.
Hindi siya nag-bless her ay.
Just think, kasap.
Gonna stay tonight. Are you gonna stay tonight? Doesn't mean we're bound for life. I wish I didn't. But I ask you if you love me, but I don't wanna feel so weak, baby. I've been hella for your grief, and this hella for your heat.
May choker ako.
sa S Kabahog na branch. Pulito, Itulukan. Ayan. Dito sa may school ni Linsan.